What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to Carolina Custom Classics. Today we own the 57 Chevrolet again. We finally got it to run and drive under its own power, so very pleased with that. If you haven't seen that video, be sure to go check it out. But as probably most of y'all noticed, we got a little bit of lifter noise. So in today's video, we're going to take off the valve cover, adjust the valves, and we're going to finally put this old original 1957 shop manual to use. So it's always good to have these, and you know, I kind of got this one more or less just for it being unique and to my favorite car, but today we're actually going to use it. But anyways, so let's go ahead and start getting to work. Alright, so as to what the manual says, we want to get the engine nice and warm and get it up to temperature. So we're going to go ahead and crank it up and let that go ahead and get nice and warm. Then we're going to take off the valve cover. It's been running about 5 minutes now, and honestly, it went away. I don't hear it no more. It's sitting there purring like a kitten. You can barely hear it a little bit. But I mean, honestly, it's gonna have a little bit of that clicking noise. But I mean, honestly, it's running like a charm. It sounds really good right now, honestly. Look over the exhaust rattling, how I got it tied up. Maybe it just needed to be ran a little bit, considering how long it sat. But it sounds really good now. Very pleased. Definitely. Probably get even better with some oil, fresh oil. Change out that 60 oil, probably help it a lot. I mean, it really don't sound too bad. I mean, it sounds really good actually. Temperature gauge don't work, so we need to fix that. This thing sounds so good. The horn don't work, but I did clean it up the best I could. Shined up pretty well. Well, I can't get over that. This car just keeps getting better and better. I literally thought I was about to have to do a valve adjustment, but who knows, it might have just been a piece of trash, you know, from sitting over the years that got up on it. That was the easiest job I ever done right there. pretty cool though, ain't it? But anyways, so we was going to do a valve adjustment, but I think honestly, I don't think we really need one right now. This sounds way better. And like I said, fresh oil probably help it even more. But anyways, to do the valve job, all you need is a 5/8 wrench, flathead screwdriver, and you got a hole back there on the bill housing. And there's a little notch on the flywheel. That's how you know when you're on top dead center on #1 cylinder. Like I said, I mean, she's sitting there purring like a kitten. Running great. Yeah, I'm pleased with it. Been working on this fender, been wet sanding it. Got a little bit of rust starting already, but I'm going to clear coat the car when I get it all done. I mean, we're going to go back over it one more time, get any rust that's, you know, starting. But we're going to roll with it like that, do the whole car like that, do a little patina look on it. Anyways, this is a little quick update. So thank you all for watching and hanging out with me on this quick little valve adjustment. If it gets worse, you know, or anything, we'll go ahead and adjust them. But honestly, right now it sounds about normal for, you know, this engine. They always been known for having that little click. So when we go to change the valve cover, you know, pretty soon, because we do got a leak right there, we might as well, you know, check everything. But right now I don't think it's that dire, because it's sounding a lot better the more it runs. So anyways, thank y'all again. Y'all be blessed. Take care. Please like, share, and subscribe.